What's up, guys? I'm Priyanka, creator of Entomology Coaching. If you want important nematology or entomology glimpses, lectures, previous question papers, click the bell icon to keep me uploading. Without wasting time, let's begin. Today, we see about three important topics where the question setter takes the questions frequently. The first topic is on infective stage, second on feeding site, third on quiescence. The first topic is infective stage. Here, all the stages are infective in case of lesson raised root nematode, and all the stages are infective except male in case of burrowing nematode, and only J2 stages are infective in case of Melanogaini, cyst, citrus, wheat seed gall nematode, that is Unguina tetesi, and only J4 stage is infective in case of Reniform Ditelenchus effluentium. Next topic is feeding site. Melanogaini, a giant cell, plays a role. What is giant cell? The nematode induces a specialized feeding cell inside the root tissue called the gins due to the division of cells. Next one is citrus. As the name suggests, the nerve cells is mainly for the nourishment of the nematode, that is a cell for the nourishment. Next is about syncytium. The cysts play an important role in syncytium forming. What is syncytium? It is a partial dissolution of the cell wall. Only half of the cell wall gets dissoluted. Next one is a reniform nematode prosyncate. At the infection of the reniform nematode, a prosyncate, that is initial stages, syncytial is formed. The initial cell is to be modified. Pro means initial. It is usually occurs in an endodermal cell. Next one is about cavity formation. It is formed by burrowing nematode, citrus nematode, lesser nematode. And burrowing nematode also cause a tunneling. So in case of burrowing nematode, two feeding sites is there. One is cavity and also tunneling. Next, gallery formation. It is formed by lance nematode, that is Hoplolaemus indicus. The important symptom is sloughing of symptom. What is sloughing of symptom? When feeding causes spongy brown cortical areas, that cortical root cells get sloughed off, that is shedding of dead tissues, casting of dead tissues. Next one is about hyperplasia, sheath nematode. Hyperplasia means increase in the number of cells. Increase in the size of the cells means it is hypertrophy. Hyperplasia means increase in the number of cells. It is caused by sheath nematode. And when hypertrophy and hyperplasia are together, caused by Melanogaini and dagger nematode. Next is about dissolution of the cell wall. The whole cell wall get dissolved by the cyst nematode. Next one is about combining of three: hypertrophy, hyperplasia, and dissolution of the cell wall by the false orchine, that is Nacobus batatiformis and reniform nematode. J2 stage, the wheat seed gall nematode, Melanogaini incognita, cyst undergo quiescence. The wheat seed gall nematode, that is Unguina tetesi, undergoes quiescence for about 32 years, the highest years ever nematode do. Regarding the wheat seed gall nematode, 3000 to 12,000 nematodes are present within a single gall. Next stage, J3 stage. In J3 stage, Bus apphalanthus, which is a severe pest damaging to the pine forest, undergo quiescence. We know about Dava lava. The Dava lava remains motionless but react to certain touch and vibration. When it quiescents, it is a stress resistant condition where long-lived larval stages is adapted when the condition is unfavorable for the growth and reproduction. At J4 stages, it casts off their cuticle and regain their normal form, that is active form. Next stage is J4 stage. At J4 stages, Diatelenchus species undergo quiescence mode. Diatelenchus angustus, which is familiar for the Nema wool, undergoes quiescence for about more than 15 months. And regarding Diatelenchus dipsaki, it undergoes quiescence for about 23 years. And Aphelanchodus besseyi undergoes for about 2 years, where 5 to 6 nematodes are present within a single gall. And Paratelinchus projectus also undergoing quiescence. Next, the stage is unpredictable, where the burrowing nematode undergoes 6 months quiescent stages. That's all about today, friends. Keep watching, keep supporting. Thank you.